Satyam Learning World, comprising Satyam Learning Center and Satyam School of Leadership, delivers superior learning content, deploys the latest learning technologies, and through world-class learning professionals delivers learning solutions to directly address key business and performance goals in real time. Learning Centers primarily nurtures entry-level talent, enables their growth, and builds a pipeline of specialists.
Preparing global entry-level talent so that new associates are well prepared for business as early in the cycle is a key to profitable growth.
Leaders are encouraged to teach, share experiences, and mentor associates, enriching and accelerating the pace of learning.
Along with skill diversity, the Learning Center enhances technical and delivery maturity, thus maximizing billability of associates.
Learning Center uses appropriate learning technologies to deliver learning anytime, anywhere, at any pace.
Content superiority underpins the edge of Satyam's learning programs. This has led us to tie-ups with some of the best names in the learning business.
It establishes relationships with educational institutions and alliance partners to augment internal learning capabilities. Satyam School of Leadership offers timely learning and development opportunities to existing and emerging leaders, harnessing their entrepreneurial spirits.
At the root of a customer relationship that endures is our ability to provide business solutions rather than technology interventions. Our strategy is based on our global leadership research that involved hundreds of CXOs who had lived and worked in more than 60 different countries throughout the world.
Its specifically designed programs meet all development needs while it's fulfilling its primary objective of fostering distributed leadership among full life cycle leaders. The frequency and rapidity of organizational change calls for an organizational glue of common principles and practices. Satyam Way is that glue. Satyam Learning World ensures the principles of Satyam Way are communicated to everybody at Satyam. The programs of Satyam Learning World cover the entire spectrum of the leadership pipeline. Satyam Learning World's virtual learning environment reflects the latest trends in functionality and design. This is yet another powerful partnership tool through which our associates can choose, rate, and decide what they need to keep them abreast. To deliver permanent and sustained transformation, learning must be need-based. And to deliver maximum value for customers, we go on-site. This is what we call real-time learning, our strategy for the future.
Real-time learning is the answer to the urgent questions that are at the heart of Satyam today. How to further our customer success. Real-time learning delivers on these goals. It dramatically expands our reach with high impact to productivity because learning takes place on site, in the moment, and in real time.
With Satyam Learning World, Satyam underscores its commitment to effective and efficient learning, resulting in Satyam being ranked #1 in the world for learning by the American Society for Training and Development. The next few years will see Satyam reach an enviable position in the global IT services market, and Satyam Learning World will play a central role in it.